Hello, I am Nilesh Avare and today I am going to talking about MEDRA. In MEDRA, what is meant by MEDRA, the full form of MEDRA, objective of MEDRA and uses of MEDRA and the different hierarchy of MEDRA. I will going to explain about all. So let's start with what is meant by MEDRA and the full form of MEDRA. In this, the MEDRA means Medical Dictionary for Regulatory Activity and it is an international terminology used for coding the information which obtained during development phase and post marketing. So start with what is meant by definition of MEDRA. The MEDRA is a clinically validated international terminology used by different regulatory authorities and regulated biopharmaceutical company. It means MEDRA, and MEDRA is developed in 1999 and it is developed by ICH, means International Conference on Harmonization, and and MEDRA is used through entire regulatory process for coding the sign, symptom, disease, lab investigation, and cause of death. It's all information code by using the MEDRA, and the MEDRA is maintained and updated by MSSO, means Maintenance and Support Service Organization. They having responsibility to update and maintain the MEDRA, and MEDRA is updated twice in year. The firstly MEDRA is updated in the month of March and the version will be zero point 0, and then secondly the MEDRA is updated in the month of September and the version is point 0.01, sorry, point 1. And then next, the objective of MEDRA. The objective of MEDRA in which to record the data accurately and to preserve the specificity and meaning in the uniform and consistent way. This is all about the objective of MEDRA. And then next is a hierarchy of MEDRA. There is a 5 hierarchy in MEDRA. So first is a SOC, second HGLT, third is HLT, fourth is PT, and last is LLT. So start with SOC. The SOC means System Organ Class, and they are classified on the basis of etiology, manifestation site, purpose, and social circumstances. And in SOC there are 27. SOC are there. And the next is a HGLT. The HGLT means High Group Level Term, and they are classified on the basis of anatomy, physiology, pathology, and function. And then HLT means High Level Term, and they are also classified on the basis of anatomy, pathology, physiology, and function. And then fourth is a PT. PT means Preferred Term. They are classified on the basis of etiology, clinical, and physiological. And last is a lower level term. It means LLT. In LLT, there are lexical variant and synonym are used for the coding of LLT. So lexical variant means word interchange. That means different term used for same expression. That means word interchange. For example, if there is a increased fever, the lexical variant is fever increase. In this way, the word interchange means lexical variant. And then next is a synonym. The synonym means the different term having same meaning. It means synonym. For example, if there is a fever, the synonym is pyrexia. The fever means synonym is pyrexia. The pyrexia is also called as increased fever. This is the example of synonym. And then last is the purpose of MEDRA. MEDRA is used